One bright, sunny morning, Moesha, Brian, and Taylor zipped up their swim bags, threw on their sunglasses, and shouted in unison, "Off to Splashville Water Park we go!" The car ride was filled with laughter, juice boxes, and Moesha's playlist of silly summer songs. As soon as they arrived, the sound of splashing water and giggling kids filled the air. "Race you to the gate!" Brian shouted, dashing ahead like a rocket. "Hey! No fair," laughed Moesha, chasing after him. Taylor, the calmest of the three, followed with a grin, her floppy sun hat bouncing with every step. First stop, the wave pool. The moment they jumped in, a giant wave whooshed toward them like a mini tsunami. "Here it comes!" Taylor shouted, riding her floaty like a pro. Moesha squealed and tried to paddle up the wave but ended up flipping off her inflatable donut. Splash! Brian laughed so hard, he almost dropped his waterproof popsicle. They played wave tag, made splashy whirlpools, and even built a floating pyramid, which crumbled in 3 seconds but was still worth it. Second stop, the water slide Tower of Doom, aka Super Fun. The trio climbed a tall tower with twisty slides in every direction. "I'm taking the red one, it has loop-de-loops," Brian announced. "I want the rainbow slide," Taylor said, already slipping on her goggles. Moesha stood at the top, peeking over. "You guys sure this is safe?" "Totally," Brian yelled from below. With a brave breath, Moesha pushed off, and whoosh! Down she went through flashing colors, swirling turns, and a big final splash into a pool of bubbles. They high-fived at the bottom. "Let's do that again!" Lunchtime splash-off challenge. After gobbling up cheesy nachos and pineapple slushes, the park announcer called out, "It's time for the bubble bucket splash-off." Teams had to carry buckets of bubble foam water across a bouncy course without spilling. Moesha, Brian, and Taylor put on matching team shirts that read, "The Soak Stars." They jumped, tiptoed, and belly flopped their way across the course, giggling all the way. By the end, they were completely covered in foam, but they'd won second place. They got sparkly medals and a free ice cream each. Last stop, the Lazy River Lagoon. They grabbed floaties and drifted through the calm, wiggly river. Moesha leaned back with a watermelon slushie. This is perfect." Brian blew bubbles in the water with his straw. Taylor closed her eyes and hummed along to the water park music, dreaming of the next adventure. As the sun began to set, the trio dried off and watched the colorful fountain show, bursting high into the air like magical water fireworks. "Best water park holiday ever," they shouted. And with happy hearts and pruny fingers, they headed home, already planning their next splashy adventure. Moral of the story: friendship, fun, and trying new things make every holiday a Splashtastic memory. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!